Welcome. I am going to show you exactly how you can search for government bids in janitorial and the process that I use to look at the bid and put it through the bidding system so that it can be easy to understand and so that I can make a decision within the first few minutes if this is something that I qualify for and that I want to take my time to submit. So the first thing that we're going to do is go into SAM.gov. Before you can access SAM.gov, you need to register and get a UEI and a cage number. Once you have that, you're going to be able to see the bids in your trade. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you can see. So once you are in SAM.gov and you look for janitorial, we're going to just do that here. Example, contract opportunities. So these are bids that have recently, the government has put them out and they're open for a bidding process. So this is Hamden, Connecticut janitorial. Let's see what this means. And this means that it was published on the 26th, meaning today, and that it is due on February 8th. So let's just see here. And basically, Forest Service, the NAICS code, it is small business set aside. And here's the description. This does have a site visit, which means that on February 3rd from 1 to 12 p.m., I'm sure that they meant from 1 p.m., and the documents that are needed are right here in. So you would just download the documents and you would go into Bid Reba. In Bid Reba, you are going to press upload bid. Let me show you guys. This one I already uploaded, but I'll show you as if I was just doing it from the beginning. The opportunity name, Camden, Connecticut, I think it is. What was it? Let me see. It was Hamden, Connecticut. Okay. So in Bid Reba, hold on one second. Hamden, Connecticut. This is for you. It doesn't matter. You just want to keep track of them so it doesn't matter. And then you would put where you got it. What's the most important is that you have the due date correct because that is going to help you stay on track. And then here you would just upload the documents. Since I'm showing you in a bid that I already uploaded, let me show you here. As soon as you upload the documents, it's going to take you to this, which is your dashboard. And all you're going to do is click on the view details. As soon as you come to the view details, you're going to press re-extract text. If you see missing critical documents, that means that when you are submitting a bid for final cleaning, post-construction, drywall, framing, electrical, plumbing, stucco, whatever it is, you need blueprints. Since this is janitorial, what they are giving you are more of like work orders that are in PDFs. So the system does not have to read the blueprints. It is more about extracting the information, right? So you're gonna, and I will upload another tutorial on how to do it when you are reading bids that have blueprints. So after you press re-extract text, then you're gonna press here rerun full analysis, and it's going to give you a fit score, the complexity, the estimated hours, and team size. Here it says low due to missing performance worksheet, I believe it is, but that's okay. Just continue. So it really summarized all the information on the PDFs that we just uploaded, and it's going to give you the information of what it is, the project scope, the technical requirements. So here you already know must be certified service disabled veteran and verify status. If you are not a service disabled veteran, you stop right there. If maybe you didn't catch that at the beginning, because it only will be awarded to somebody that has this certification, right? Let's say that you do have it. So it's giving you here all the informations and then the high risk. So it's saying it's missing performance work statement. Why? The provided bid documentation prominently references a performance work statement and it's missing it. So there's two things. You're going to say, okay, wait, did I upload in my documents the performance work sheet? Let's see. I just got another bid. I'm going to do that one with you guys as well. If maybe you said, oh, yes, I see the performance worksheet, don't be afraid to just say re-extract text. It could be that the system didn't pick it up. If not, you're like, no, this is all I have. These are all the documents that they gave me. Then here it's going to tell you primary recommendations, immediate action, contact Natasha, which is a procurement officer for this, immediate to request the full solicitation package, verify your status. Then it's going to say cleaning plan development. There's primary and then there's technical recommendations. It's going to give you an estimate budget. Remember that the price is, this is just an estimate. You put your own pricing, right? And I will also do a training on how I recommend that you can find competitive pricing. Okay, so let's say that everything here was good. And everything was perfect for you and you're like, okay, I want to submit this bid. So here where it says you would just press generate templates fast, let's regenerate the templates, right? And then here in the regenerate, it's going to give you the bid proposal, right? Okay. Then here in the cost breakdown, you have it as a PDF and you also have it as an Excel sheet. As an Excel sheet, you have it because you want to put your numbers. So as a PDF, it's going to tell you that the labor, the equipment, the permits and fees, and it's telling you that the cost is going to come out to 27.82 square per square feet, right? And then it's going to tell you the safety plan. Let's see if it gave it to us. So, just a safety plan that you might need. Sometimes they ask for it, and the project schedule. Usually, this is filled out when you have a timeline. This is a janitorial contract that can go for 12 to 24 months. So you wouldn't have this, but in a bid where there's a timeline, you want to make sure that you use it at least as something to keep you on track. So that basically would be how you would submit a bid. These bids would be at a federal level, and um, it just basically keeps you on track. It tells you exactly what you need, and it takes 5 minutes compared to reading this and then deciding and then having to go and create any type of templates on your own. And you're going to have this in your dashboard, so it's going to allow you to keep up with reminders of what is needed, and you can always ask the concierge. So with this is like the first part of federal bids. I will upload the continuous part because we're going from federal to state to city or county, and then private ones. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, the bid Reba has the $97 subscription, is the one that allows you to upload unlimited bids, and we have a Q&A once a week, and you can come and ask any questions and get any help. I want you to know that the more that you train your account inside of BidReba on your numbers and on your information, eventually it's going to be 100% accurate or 99% accurate and very much tailored to you. So if you won a bid or if you bid and didn't win, there's also a way that you can upload the person's bid that they won, whatever is available online, so that we can BidReba will make your future bids stronger so that you can win them. So I hope that you guys like this, and I will continue to upload the documents. If you are in BidRiva, in the classroom, I'm going to upload our schedule for the Q&A so you can start as early as this week.